Hello, this is Otaku Solutions. Last time we finished the skirt, and the animation looks good. This is the dummy weight transfer reddened applied onto the clothes. If we play to frame 300, you can see the weights match. You had a separate full mesh that you would actually use, right? I will show you how to move this dummy weight onto the full mesh. Please hide everything. I will keep it simple and work from the clothes. Please search for cloth, then find a skirt as well. Including the dummy, there are only 4 clothing-related meshes. In this state, press the map button and a window will open. Select the mesh and use the F key to pull it off to one side. Pull out the skirt and the other meshes as well, then you can connect them. Connecting is not hard. Just drag the source to build the network. That means we will move all of this weight onto the target. Then just press sync now. I will press sync now here. Sync now is transfer weights, a skin copy paste. If you look closely, all the weights are the same. Yellow is the source, and green is the target. After we build the network like this, let's check the movement. That sparkle means the values are the same. Let's play it again through frame 300. The weights transfer red very cleanly. Copy-paste worked, but leftover weights remain. Those leftover weights all need to be removed. I have no plan to touch the dummy weights now. Since copy-paste is done, you can remove the leftover weights. We might revisit this later, so I will not fix it right now. If you press sync now again, the weights you removed come back. If the dummy needs no more work and only mesh details remain, just break the connection. After you break the connection, refine the details on each weight. I might fix this later, so I will keep the connection for now. Next, let's look at the body. Hide all again, we need all of the body. Hair and facial related parts are not needed. Adding them would just make things more complicated. Stockings, the belt, and props are not needed. This is enough. Select the dummy body, then move the body over here too. Move face over here as well, and move the arm too. If they are hard to find, just search by object name. This selection is easier for me, so I will move them as they are. First I will pull everything over here, select it, then continue. The wheel zooms in and out. Alt plus the middle button pans. Please connect them all the same way as before. It is the same method way used before. If you do it this way, it is much easier. I will press sync now here. All of the body skin will be copy-pasted. All done. It transferred very cleanly. It came out much cleaner than I expected. That sparkle is a good sign that the vertex positions match. The weights and the layers are all the same as well. Work the large dummy first, then work the sub-meshes. I will skip the per mesh detail cleanup this time. Instead, I will just explain the arm cloth. The arm cloth needs some extra settings. After you copy-paste, please refine the details. The arm does not need to keep following the body, so I will disconnect it. In this state, I will erase the leftover weights. There are no fingers, so erase up to thumb, and please leave hand. Leave only hand and arm. You can erase clavicle. You can erase with a right click. You only need the top level weights. The form stays the same even if we tidy it. Let's see which weight this is. I will keep archive closed and look for that bone. This is outer cloth. After checking the layer structure, I think it is better on top. Please place it here. This is outer cloth. As an example, I will set the value to 1 and make a layer group. Please make a layer group, and I will set it as outer cloth. It is correct, but a bit off, so I will tidy it like this. I will match it in a more intuitive, comfortable way. Usually it is up back and up down. I will add one more, front back. Please turn front back on like this. Wireframe mode is better. Please make the layer group temporarily. I think it is better to pull the animation a bit further. I will turn front off for a moment. Please set all the values to 1. This shape is fine, and this is the section I wanted to check. This should be easier to see right now. I will go into paint mode from back. Top view is comfortable. Please paint like this from top. If you apply smooth, you get a shape like this. Paint up and front back like this. Then go back into up down. After looking from the front, I will just reduce the mask a little. It is better to paint everything first, then subtract. I will subtract it like this from the camera view. Please subtract a little. This side too. If you add more smooth, it paints like this. I will paint number 1 here. After painting like this, I will apply smooth all the way. It is not moving. We had activity turned off, right? I will turn activity on and check again. At this point, you can adjust the sleeve shape as well. This is how I quickly set up the weights. To refine it more, just keep painting in paint mode. Very nice. The eyedropper feature is really nice. Really nice. I will boldly subtract all of this. I will add a little smooth. This part is a bit off. I will subtract all of this and wrap it up. This weight is a little off too. Nice. Mirror in this state. You do not need to worry. I will match all the weights. Even if the mesh breaks, we can fix it. Inside a layer group, there is no influence data. The clothes work looks good as well. Boots in particular need a detailed look. The boots have a large gap from the dummy, so you must check them. The skin may not stick well sometimes, but the base weights match, which is good. Luckily it is not too awkward. Let's look at toe as well. This is acceptable enough as it is. When you work, look more closely and check if the values are the originals. Even with some banding, I will let this much slide. Normally you would add a bone to adjust it, but I will skip that for now. The clothes dummy was copy-pasted too. I left this connection broken on purpose. From Skin Archive, let's try Show All. With Show All, let's look at the hair only. For the hair, I put only head into a single layer. There is no hair bone, so the attached part just follows head. If there is no facial, just put head in and let the animator use it. If you type used, it shows up like this. This does not look intentional, so I will fix it. Originally, everything should be on head. This is the eye white mesh, that is fine. I will paint it all to one and put it on head. Looking at used only, everything is cleanly on head. The teeth are on neck too. I will give them all to head for now. Yes, thank you. I think that looks good. There are props, but we will not go deep. The body is what matters. I will only set this upon the correct props. I will find the book and give root a value of 1. I will skip the detail sand match the pen as well. I will search for the pen and put everything in. The real mesh has can copy paste as well. Excellent. Starting from the dummy mesh, I painted all the way to the inner meshes. You can refine the details yourselves. I will only touch this much. If you play, it goes back. I pasted the mesh again and even did mirror. I will mirror all the inner data as well. If you sync now on the dummy, this data will be overwritten. The main weights are already set, so the dummy's job seems done. If you want to keep it, please break the connection. That is how you do it. All mesh skinning is working. I will push this to 3ds Max or a DCC.